I have some storage ideas and tips to help you eliminate RV bathroom clutter. Hey everybody, I'm Susan from RV Blogger in front of the camera, and Mike's behind the camera this time. And I wanted to share with you a little bit of the tips and ideas that we have in our RV bathroom. Now, RV bathrooms are filled with soap bottles and shampoo and conditioners and razors and towels and wash rags and very awkward cabinets where you're thinking to yourself, how do I maximize the space in this little rinky-dink cabinet? Well, I found a few ideas that I thought I would share with you that might help you in your RV bathroom. So come on in my bathroom and let me give you a tour. So I'm standing in the shower like Mike usually does, but this time it's to show you some of our really cool ideas that are great for RV storage in the bathroom. And one is this shower caddy. Now, it is hung up by suction, so I never have to worry about drilling a hole and making permanent damage. I can remove that if I want to wash around it, behind it, or even this. So it's perfect in this position. We have a pretty tight bathroom, so this was the best place that we could hang it, right by our shower head. It has little drain holes. It has little teeth that we can hang up our back brush, and we can put all of our razors and shaving cream and face soaps in here. It's up and out of the way. I'm certainly not going to bump into it. We did install it down here originally, and it was a little awkward getting in and out of the shower. So again, because it has suction cups, easily removable, we plopped it up there. It was perfect and out of the way. The second item that we use is our soap, shampoo, conditioner dispenser. And we have one similar to this in our home. And so I knew when we were traveling more, we weren't just weekenders, we were going to need something that was a little more permanent, so we weren't constantly removing shampoo bottles and soap bottles out of it. Now this one has 4 dispensers, which was a favorite for me because Mike has his own shampoo, I have my own conditioners, so this suits us perfect. We have shampoo, 2 shampoos, a conditioner, and a soap. I love it. I love that it has 4. Behind me over here, we just got some Command adhesive towel bars to hang up our washcloths. Again, I like that things aren't permanent. I really don't want to drill a hole in my shower tub surrounding, and so to me, this was easy, out of the way, perfect. Now, another item that we purchased when we got the RV was a different towel holder. Now, these were the 2 towel hooks that came with the RV, and we kept them up there because I look at it this way. Any opportunity for me to be able to hang something, I'm a bit old-fashioned. Sometimes I use a shower cap when I don't want to wash my hair. Here's my little turby towel when I do wash my hair. But this towel rack is 4 different rods in one unit. So if you wanted to hang 4 towels, you absolutely could. We do the 2. But one of the things that we like about this is when we're done taking a shower, we can spread the towel bars out and let the towels dry a little bit better than being closed up or pressed up against the wall. It's very movable. All 4 of the bars, love it. It even has a separate little hook down here on the bottom. Again, any opportunity that I can hang something and get it up and out of the way and as convenient as possible. So we love the new towel bar. So RVs typically have some very odd cabinets. Sometimes too small, sometimes too tall, and you're trying to figure out how to maximize that use. And that was one of our situations with this corner cabinet. Now, when you take a look at it, it is just 2 big, wide openings and very tall. And it was complicated to try to maximize the amount of storage. Well, I found corner shelves that fit in there perfectly. The legs you can open and close to get your shelf in and out. And now, and I think it came in a pack of 4, and since we have 2 bathrooms, I was able to put 2 in this bathroom and 2 in the mid bath. So it was perfect. But with these shelves in here, now it gives us a little more space where we can put toilet chemicals, tissues, bathroom cups, all of our medicines and hair bands and things like that are neatly stored inside there. I was able to maximize that cabinet a whole lot, and I feel much more comfortable with that. So can we talk toilets for a minute? Now, the toilet seat that we got in our RV when we first purchased it had so many little grooves inside here in every different angle possible, and it was miserable to clean. I was trying to get in there and get into every little nook and cranny to clean it, not having any fun. And I said to Mike, I really want a new toilet seat. And he said, I have the perfect solution. So what we have now is a soft close toilet. So the seat closes softly and the lid closes softly. So no more in the middle of the night somebody drops the toilet seat or drops the toilet lid and startles you, because now we have the soft close and it's so much easier to clean than the RV toilet that came with our RV. So we'll include links to all the items in the video in the description down below if you want to check any of these out. But also, if you have any great RV storage tips or ideas that you can share with us about the bathroom, we would love to hear from them. I'm always open to other suggestions, and I'm sure our subscribers would love that too. If you want to see some other RV storage tips and ideas, just click the box down below, and we'll see you in the next video.